Here is the question. You see the question, and you know this is a volume integration, because you see triple integration, and you know volume integration and surface integration are related uh, according to this formula. Formula is del dot f dv. This is volume integration equals to f dot ds. This is the formula with which we correlate volume integration and surface integration. And in this question, f is grade u. F is grade u. So if you put this thing, then at the place of, at this place, then this will be del dot del u dv, that is dx dy dz, and this will be equals to del u ds dot ds. So according to this, we have to find divergence, we have to find gradient of u. So gradient of u means, this means del u by del x I cap plus del u by del y j cap plus del u by del z k cap. Let us find. U is given in the question sin 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square to the power 2. Now let us first get del u by del x. This will be cos 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square to the power 2 into 2, these 2, and here will be the same thing, this thing with 1 less power, 1 minus x square y square minus z square to the power 1, and last is differentiation of this with respect to x will be minus 2x. And if you go to find del u by del y, then this will come again. Suppose this is a, then in this will be a into minus 2x, and del u by del z will be a, sorry, here will be a into 2y minus 2y, and here will be a into minus 2z. So this a will be the coefficient in all three, and here we have found gradient of u and have to take dot product with ds. But let us discuss here. You see volume integration in the question. Volume means if you take a sphere with center here 0 0 0 volume, and then this is the sphere of radius 1, and all points inside this constitute volume. And so to show all points inside this, we write x square plus y square plus z square equals to or less than 1. This is for the volume integration. But when you turn to surface integral, then you have to focus on surface, and you know in this case equation of surface will be x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1. That is 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square equals to 0. So you see that here is, you see that this thing is 0, so this will be 0, this will be 0. So a is 0, and a is 0, so 0 into minus 2x will be 0. Similarly here 0 into minus 2y will be 0. Here will be 0 into minus 2z 0. So all will be 0. This means that del u by del x 0, 0 0. So del gradient u is 0. Gradient u is 0. 0 is a constant, you can take out. So 0 into something is always a 0. So our correct answer will be 0. Here you have to write 0 in this blank space.